guys, what's up? If you're looking for a shipping company that not going to charge you the prices like up there, so you found it. We are doing it different, guys. We're giving you freeness as a member. We allow you to ship 4 times per year, absolutely free, guaranteed, right? Let me tell you something. It's guaranteed 4 times per year, free. All right. You also have the opportunity to get free shipping coupons from our website and our social media platform. So go ahead, join us on social media. There should be a link somewhere down here where you can get some free shipping coupons. Every now and then we just give us some. Because we love it like that. Folks, your laptop, your smartphone, your tablet, ship for free. Serious, they all ship for free. Alright, no shipping charges on those. Laptops, smartphones and tablets. Also, we have a promotion going on now where if you get one person to sign up, we're going to give you a free £5 coupon. We're going to give that person a free £5 coupon. We just give a thing so. Why? Because we love you now. Alright? So there's a link somewhere here or a link in the description. Click on the link, join us today and get some freeness. Alright? We'll be happy to ship your packages for you. Catch you later. Bye bye. Show them the